Okay, again see 14 number. X plus y 3x minus 7, x plus y 2x minus 7. These two are the common. So take these two common. 3x minus 7 will be there, minus of 2x minus 11. So now split the terms. We have to do the simplification now. So 3x minus 7 minus 2x minus plus 11. Okay, now these two are like terms. 3x and 2x are like term, but minus is the 3x minus 2x x minus 7 plus 11 plus 4. So this is your, these are the factors x plus y and x plus 4 of this algebraic expression. 16 number, x into x minus 2z plus y into x minus 2z minus x. So see, in this case x minus 2z, in this case x minus 2z, but here 2z minus x is given. So can I write x minus 2z? Yes, I can make this x minus 2z if I put minus in the before. So that only I have done. So minus I have written, then I have to reverse the term x minus 2z. Now see, x minus 2z, x minus 2z, x minus 2z. I can take the common. X minus 2z I have taken common. X minus 2z already gone, x is there, x minus 2z already gone, y is there, x minus 2z already gone, minus is there, minus 1. This is your answer. Okay. Now exercise C, 6C. In 6C, by grouping suitable terms, you have to make the group with suitable terms. How will you make? See here, ax square plus by square plus bx square plus by square is there, ay square is there. So in this case, with these two terms, can I take any common? No. In this also we cannot take. But if I see here ax square, here bx square is there. So that means I can arrange these two terms. I can write these two terms besides, and again these two terms beside. Suitable terms in the definition itself is given by grouping suitable. That means you have to make the group which according to the word from where we can take the common. Some minimum at least 2, 3 or some algebraic and literal number L, M, whatever alphabets, at least we should have to take one common. So for this we have to make group. So see here ax square, here bx square. So that means these two terms I can write together, or here ax square is there, here ay square is there. These two terms also we can write together. So your choice, ultimately you will get same answer only. So I have written this first one and last one together, and this by square bx square, b is common, that's why I have written together. So bracket I have given. Now ax square ay square. So can I write a? Yes, I have taken I have written a common. Now a I have taken, so x square, and here also y square will be there. B I have taken common, so y square x square. Okay, now see here also x square plus y square plus x. Both in case of addition I have told order doesn't matter. Why? Because 2 plus 3 also you will get 5, 3 plus 2 also you will get 5. So in case of addition, x square plus y square means y square plus x square only. So in this case these two are the common, x square plus y square, that's why I have taken the common x square plus y square. Now these are already gone, so a is there, and here x square plus y square taken common, so b is there, so a plus b. See, there are two methods. That means you have to take, you can take these two group, these two together, or whatever you can take. Here x square is there, here also x square, so these two also you can take together. So let's see whether we are getting same or not. See, ax square I have written, bx square, by square, sorry, ax square I have written, then bx square, then by square, ay square. So from this x square I can take common x square, a plus b, y square, so y square I have taken, b plus a. So a plus b plus a, same only. So a plus b, both the terms a plus b is there, so a plus b I have taken common, a plus b is equal to x square plus y square. See here also same term only you have got x square plus y square into a plus b into x square plus y square. 5 number C, x square minus ax minus bx plus ab. In the book question it is given minus of ab, but it will be plus ab. Printing mistake is there. So now in this case take x common. If any single terms common, any single factor you can get common, then also you can take the common. But the main thing is that you have to be careful, so that suppose here like this it is given, suppose x square minus x cube is there, x cube minus bx square is there. So in this case, if you take only x common, then it will be wrong. Here in this case, we can take here x square is there, here x cube is there. That means we have to take x square common. So x square I have taken common. So now x will be there and x square already gone. So only b will be there. So x minus b, these are the factors. Okay. So here x square minus ax minus bx plus ab is there. In this case, from this I can take x common. X, if I take x into x minus a, bx minus plus ab, b if I take common, then x minus I have taken, so minus minus a plus, here plus is there, so it will be plus minus a, x minus a, x minus a, then x minus b. Okay. This one you see once. 3mn plus 2pn plus 3mq plus 2pq. In this also n is common, so without arranging the term you can check. N I have taken common, so I will get 3m plus 2p. In this case q is common, so q I have taken 3m 2p, 3m 2p, 3m 2p. And plus q. That will be our answer. Now 11 number, ab square minus bc square minus ab plus c square. b square bc square, b I can take common. b if I take common, then ab will be there, from there c square will be there. Now here ab c square minus ab plus c square, but here ab minus c square I have got, and here minus ab plus c square. So can I write like this, ab minus c square? If I take minus 1 common, then it will be minus ab minus c square minus plus minus ab minus minus plus c square. So minus ab plus is that only. So now this also, these two are common term, ab minus c square b minus 1. Okay. 15 number C. See the question of 15. axy square 3x 2a square y square plus 6a. Here common is there? Any common? Yes, common is there. Here a yes. Okay. So from this we can take x common, then we will get ay square, x already taken, so 3 will be there. In this case 2 numerical term, 2 we can take common, 2a square a, so that means a we can take, then 3ay square, 6 is there, sorry only ay square, 6 is there, so I have taken 2 common, then plus 3 a already I have taken, ay square plus 3 ay square plus 3 ay square plus 3, then x plus 2. Okay. See the question number 16 MCQ. X y z square plus 1. X y z square plus 1 plus z into x square plus y square, this one is given, can be factorized. See here, though they have taken the common, but see in this case no common factor is there. Here also x z square plus 1, here x square plus y square, here xy, here z, so we cannot take any common, or we will not get any factor if we do this process. So let's split all the terms. So xy into z square, xy z square, xy plus into 1, so plus xy, z into x square, zx square, z into y square plus zy square. Okay, so So now see, in this case we can take any common or not. X y z square z x square. Yes, I could take common. So in these two, so we are arranging the term x y z square plus z x square. Then x y plus z y square. Okay. Here x y z square, z x square, x square, z square, z. So x z I can take common. X already taken, z square is there, z I have taken. That means y is there and z is there. Z x, here x square, that means x will be there. Here x y z y square. So y I can take common, x plus z y. See here yz plus x plus z both are same. So x plus yz, if I take common, then xz plus y. So the factors of this term. Okay. So next we will discuss 60.